Assalamu alaikum to all of you. My name is Sophia. I'm from 11th standard. So today, as we all know that we all are doing debate here on a very amazing, very crucial and very debatable topic, which is about the college. That which college is better for the student, the regular college or the correspondence college, means the open college, which is better. So, in my perception, the regular college is far better, essential, and beneficial for the student as compared to the open college. Before starting, the first thing that arises in our mind, that is, what is college, and really why do we need a college? The college is the experience, is the terms through which the students are able to gain the knowledge, are able to gain the motivational speeches. It's a kind of source which provide the student to achieve their goals soon in their life. Here, firstly, I would like to mention and clear the difference between the regular college or the open college. That what is the difference between these colleges? In the college, the student go regularly and attend all the classes according to their attendance, and there the students get the friends, even the professors and the teachers. That's called the regular college. But really, if I talk about the open college, so in that, just the student have to go 2 days in the week, Saturday and Sunday, and even there is no guarantee that the teachers will provide them study. No, just the regular college student have this thing. That's why they took admission in the regular college. But the open college, but the open college student just they go for submitting the assignment and just for wandering here and there, just for the enjoyment. They go to the college. That's all.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. My name is Mohammad Yan Sefi, and today we all are doing debate here on a very amazing and crucial and controversial topic. The topic is in the regard of colleges. Open college versus regular college. Which one is better? Well, if I tell you my perception, in my perception, open college is far better than the regular college because there are many advantages which are beneficial for the students. So first thing which I want to say that is about the workers. Now in this generation what is happening, there is in the India there is lack of employment. So because of this thing in home, mostly people they have to do work. Okay, so now this thing I want to say that if you go regular college, so you won't be able to get time to do work for your family, for feeding your family. But in an open college, what will happen? You will be able to get time to do work for earning money for your family, for feeding your family. This is the advantage of open college. And as she was mentioning about the open college, that they just go to open college for just submitting assignments and all, and they for enjoying they take open college. I don't think, if I tell you the reality of the open college, what happens if you want to study, so you will get a lots of times in open college, a lots of time in open college, so that you can you can take tuition. If you want to clear any big exam, so what will happen? You will have to just take uh, tuition, so that you can get more deep to deep knowledge. But in regular college what will happen? You will go and you won't get time, even you won't be able to revise your chapters. So how will you just do the self study? How will you take tuition so that you can just take deep to deep study, education?
Firstly, if you are saying that for you can take education from the coaching, you are saying this thing, and most of the students were saying that you can learn from the mobile phone. So I want to ask that if we are learning from the mobile phone, we are getting knowledge from our institutes. So tell me, what's the benefit of the open college then? We are giving fees in the open college and we are not taking any advantage. So what's the benefit?
Let me tell you the advantages. In open college what happens, we study by the study materials like open women's online classes, DVD, CD, this kind of, by this kind of materials we by this kind of materials we study on open college. And most of the practicals which they provide us on means on online classes, and they are able to show us by the 3D videos so that we can understand properly. And if I tell you about the knowledge, who is from open college, definitely he will be more knowledge. For example, if I tell you the Akram sir, you can see he is from open college, he is expert on the English. And if I tell you about the Savi sir, he is from open college. Now you can
No. Not he's not from he's from regular college.
Okay, he's from Lagos College. There are lots of teachers in academies who are from Open College who
So
are expert on their
do you
education.
know about the Shrishti Jain Deshmukh? She is an IPS officer, and she became by the virtue of studying through the regular college, not from the open college. She maintained of